Good morning, students. See, today we are going to do activity number 7, variation of potential drop with length of the wire. What I have done is I have kept a battery here. Okay, this battery input voltage. The input voltage of this is like I have kept it as 4 volt. This is the driving battery, the driving cell you can see. Now in a potentiometer, there is like one table is there on which there are like wooden table is there on which there are 4 wires are there. Okay, it goes like this from this end to the other end, it's 100, and then it is coming back from that end 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, like this it will come to 200. Then the third wire will be 301, 302, like this it will go till 300. See, it is like first one will go to 100, then 101 to 200 the second wire, third wire will be from 201 to 300, and the fourth wire will be from 301 to 400. So total the length of the potentiometer wire which is there, you can see this is like all the length of the total length of the wire will come out as, it will be coming out as 400 centimeter. The connections are there. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to the A, because there are two things, there are two terminals are there. A is this one, the B is this one. So the positive terminal will be connected to A. On A there are two wires. One is going to the voltmeter, which is this yellow wire, and the other red one is going to the battery. So I am just connecting it once again. I am just connecting it. This is A is connected. Okay. I will be sending a photo of this, the potentiometer. So the above one is A. So A is connected to the battery, A is connected to the voltmeter. The voltmeter is from 0 to 10 volt, that is the range. Then the other B, the B part is there, and the negative, see now what is done. The negative of the battery, this is the negative of the battery. Okay. The negative of the battery is connected to the key. The other end of the key is connected to the rheostat. This is rheostat. In a rheostat, you know there is one top end is there, and this is the down. The top is said to be the variable. So this is going to the down side at this end, and on the other side the variable is connected to B. So this way I will be sending the photo of this, so it will be more clear to you. From the top view it is. So that photo will make the things very clear. So negative is connected to key. The other end of the key is connected to rheostat. Rheostat ka variable end is connected back to B. So this is how A and B is there, and there are 4 wires, and this is known as something called jockey. So one of the end of the one of the end of the voltmeter is connected to A, the other part is connected to the jockey. This voltmeter, it is from 0 to 10 volt. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Between 0 to 2, there are 10 lines are there. So one division will be of 0.2 volt. Okay, so one division is of 0.2 volt. Now we have to do this experiment. See the observation table and all. What is told here, the first reading, say I will switch it on. I have kept it at 4 volt. Now I am switching it on. What I will do is, with the help of jockey, I will touch it at 60 centimeter. So I will see on the scale the top. See, whenever I am seeing the first and the third wire, I will have to see the top scale, because on the same scale there is like top 1 to 100, and on that same scale below part it is written from that side 0 to 100, because it is 1 to 100, left to right 1 to 100, then right to left is 101 to 200, then left to right it is 201 to 300, then the fourth wire is 301 to 400. So if you see, for getting the reading on first wire and the third wire, I should tap it on first and third one. Whenever I am tapping, I will have to see the upper scale. So I will keep it at 60. So when I am keeping it at 60, what I can see is the voltage reading. Okay, and I will put the key. Very important key has to be put. When the moment I will put the key, it is showing some deflection, and that deflection will be recorded. So let me just see, this is like I am keeping it. Suppose this deflection is coming, it's coming at 4.8 now. Okay, it's coming at 4.8. Then this is 60. Then what I will do, next reading which is shown is for, next is 120. So 60 to 120 means first wire is till 100. From the other side, I will have to see 20. 20 means I will have to see the scale का down में 20. तो 100 ऊपर का second wire का 20, वो side से 0 1 2 3 देखना है 20 तक. So it becomes total 120, and I will note it down. And then I will go for 60, 120, then the third is 180. Okay, third one is, where is 180? 180 will be coming on the second wire, because 0 to 100, 100 to 200. So this is down, it will be 180. So 180, again I will note down the reading. So what I have got the reading is, for 60 I got 1 volt, for 120 I got 1.6 volt, 180 centimeter I got 2.2. Like this, what I will observe is, with the, like when I am keeping the jockey, this is known as jockey, when I keep this end of the jockey at different length, 60, 120, 180, 240, what I am observing is the voltage keeps on increasing, and we want to prove that V upon L, voltage upon length. Voltage is which one? The reading which is measured on the voltmeter upon the length. That value always remains constant. This is activity number 7, variation of potential drop with length of the wire. So we always want to prove that potential upon length remains constant. So if I tap it somewhere else, as I increase the length, the voltage reading shown on the voltmeter should also increase, but your V by L ratio should remain constant. This is one of the easiest activity using potentiometer. So this instrument photo and everything, I will be sending it to you. Alright, and then you must have understood the reading how it is done. Alright, okay, thank you.